Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to demonstrate that you can save Pinterest photos to camera roll. So to begin with, let me just go ahead and pick an image or pin that I would like to download. So let's say this one. Then once opened to your top right, you'll find the three horizontal dots which you want to tap on and choose the download image option. And well, once the image gets downloaded, you'll be able to find it at the gallery, at the local gallery on your phone. So let me open mine. Here it is. And as you can see here, I have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for today's video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.